Good day, sir. Today we will explain the method of transmitting and receiving information uses visual signaling of single letter. Signals are listed on the International Code of Signal or ICS of NXB. This system is used main in maritime communication to ensure safety and fair understanding between ships.
The International Code of Signal is a standardized system of communication that uses flags, lights, and other visual signal. Each letter in the alphabet has a corresponding flag, and every single letter signal has a specific meaning. For example, one flag can mean I am in distress, while another can mean keep clear of me. This helps ships communicate even without using spoken language.
Example: importance and application. The ICS is everything important because it helps prevent accident and ensures safety and sea. It used during emergencies, navigations, and daily operations of ship. By understanding this, the signal carrier and officer can quickly send and receive important message, especially when there is language barrier.
Conclusion. In conclusion, the International Code of Signals is an essential communication tool in a maritime operation at allows ship to communicate using visual signals.
It promotes safety, avoid misunderstanding, and help in emergency situation.
Thank you for listening. We hope and learn something about the International Code of Signal.